The Johan, there's a turbine car for $30. 70 Torino, 22. There you go. The 3-in-1 kit, that's 61 T-Bird, $65. Catalina, $27, 61. Pro Shop AMT, $16 for a 57. There's a 60 Merc for, again, the artwork is just weird. Asking $75, $24 for the Mini, $20 for the Beetle. I don't know what year that is. It is the Japanese kit. It's a Super Beetle. Notice the front turn signals in the bumper, so that's a later dub. We didn't get those. Those were Mexican. Nomad. Wow. Some finished kits over here from the Mustang 2 and the Torino on through to the Buick Super. Look at that. And Pontiac Grand Prix. There's a little liftback Hornet. Oh gosh. Interesting. Beard of Paradise. That's the Continental made into a wagon. Strange. Bullet, of course. Oh, so much fun here. And you know, these kits are reasonable. They really are. They're not crazy. The Pacer for 37. There for the Revell, $17. Come on. Can't go wrong with this stuff. You could really have a lot of fun. Down there is an International Scout for $30. You're not going to see that one around too often. Here we go. Again, you know me, I love the weird stuff. Cadillac Fleetwood. Strange, strange, strange. Again, the artwork is so weird. There it is. Nice. This is 60. That is so cool. 125. Good luck at finding another ones, folks. There's a Carmen Ghia 66. For 50. There's a Continental for 85, customized by the Alexander brothers. Oh gosh. El Camino for 32. There you go, 60 Plymouth station wagon, missing windshield washer bar for 75. I know you guys, Butch and Glenn and all that, you guys can fabricate just about anything. Yeah, I got faith in you. Look at this value pack. That's intriguing. $45 for the 3 models. That's cool, including glue and some paint. Wow, that is neat. What a wild gift that is. That's fantastic. Get new kids involved with this stuff. Little Healy 6 for 35. Tom Daniels Super Taxi. This is a Snap-on kit. Asking 16. Here we go. 59 Rambler station wagon. Curbside cruiser. Multiple building options. Skill 2, $50. When was the last time you've seen a Rambler station wagon? Avanti, of course. Look at the Jeep by AMC, the Bearcat. That was the TV. Hot Shot, look at that. 65 Chevy Stepside with a Hemi Hydro combo. Those kits are outrageous. $50. There we go. 49 Mark Woody, $35. I've got to buy one of those. I had a Woody. Oh, this is great. Now there's 70 Pontiac made into an El Camino. $50. Cool beans. Cadillac Escalade pickup truck. There you go with the Jeep. Carmen Ghia for 40 on that one. Wow. 59 Elda Seville hardtop, 32. A Taurus for $25. Yeah, that's worth about right for the Taurus. Here's the Saints Jaguar XJS for $28. 77 Dodge for $35. Leroy Yarbrough's Merc for $28. Cool. The Styline Kit 61 Ford Galaxy, $25. Neat stuff. And the Hydro Bowl and Basket Spring Water, there's no price on that particular kit, but it looks fairly complete. The windshield and the bubble dome is really excellent. Look at the way how it covers the whole thing without very much deception. I like quality kits like that. Yeah, I missed you over at Hanover. I got the thing.
Come on, Dan.
Dan, don't be so shy. Get in there. There we go. The Three Musketeers. Ta-da! All right, where can we get a hold of you if anyone wants to buy these model kits?
We're usually down here at Leesport setup selling.
Very good.
Yeah,
Very good.
all the toy shows and the car shows. So
Sounds great. Make sure you get the toy shows and the car shows onto the calendar. I appreciate
Will do.
that.
Thank
We'll
you.
publicize the whole thing.
all right.
And your
thanks.
name is?
John.
Hi, John.
Hi.
I've got
Russ.
Ross
Dan.
and Dan. Wonderful. Thanks a lot.
All right. Thank you.
And by the way, I love the parts assortments.
Yeah, my boneyard.
That's it. Oh, my guys are going to go nuts over there. Valve covers. I've got to keep an eye open for drive shafts because one of my favorite fans, numeral uno, Glenn, never puts drive shafts on his model builds. And so we have to tease him. So I got to see if there's any drive shafts in here. This is fantastic. Not just the Midas touch. Let's keep going on cars. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars, northeastwheelsevents.com, southeastwheelsevents.com, ukwheelsevents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.